This is like when we go to Vegas. On Jamaica, it's stuff like this.
Again.
It took like 8 hours, 9 hours, right?
10 hours.
10 hours.
I'm the one driving.
Look at the traffic. We've been in the car for 2 hours. No gas, no food, no water,
No way
freezing like hell. We are in Hoover Damm, Damm
Between Las
Hoover.
Vegas and Arizona. No.
We're in Arizona instead of Las Vegas, so this is sucks. Ruin our trip. Bad, bad, bad. See.
Oh, my sister fall.
Oh shit! Shut up. See how traffic that is? Now it's what? 6 o'clock? We'll be in the car on 4 o'clock already. We stay in the car. No food, no water, no gas.
I'm driving like this.
Today is Saturday. We should be going home, but we booked one more night. Now forget it. Stay home. Good night.